Hi, I'm Lucas10, and today I will be showing my tutorial for Computer Science 2406. So first of all, to show that I am using OpenStack to use my um, to use my website, I will go here, use the shell student, and this is my IP. There's my password. All right, now I go into Documents, and then my 2406 tutorial 04. Awesome. And then into my demo code. And then server code. And here I can run server.js with Node. And then I go onto this page. I can run it up here. Whoops. Run it up here. And here it is. This is the Carlton IP with example1.html. Here's my code for this, as you can see, 2406 in the server code. And here it is. Thank you.